Over the last year, there has been a notable shift on how money is transacted. Businesses closed down, and the 2020 unemployment rate went from 4.4% in March to 14.7% in April, the highest it's ever been, by far. Many people lost their savings, their homes, their investments. Businesses closed down, and some couldn't survive and went bankrupt, all while others became wildly wealthy. And this isn't just the 1%. While many people have fallen victim to this recession, there are others who are thriving and creating a massive leap in their finances. But how? Economic activity slows down during a recession, which means that people and businesses are not making as much money, leading to a financial crisis. But there's something interesting about this 2020 recession. Every recession has its own unique fingerprint. In 2001, we had the burst of the dot-com bubble, where investors and venture capitalists heavily invested in internet companies that could not turn a profit. In 2008, we had the real estate bubble, where financial institutions financed overvalued properties to people who couldn't afford them. In 2020, we have the coronavirus outbreak, which led businesses to close their doors and slow down economic growth. As businesses begin to reopen, it is clear that things will not be the same. Every recession brings to light the inefficiencies in the economy. In this case, the need to adapt to the online world became a matter of life or death for businesses. Those who adapted thrived. Those who didn't were left behind. But this economic shift has created opportunities for those who learn the new skills needed to thrive in this new economy. These new skills have become more in demand than ever and can be the determining factor of a financially successful life or a less desirable one. This recent recession showed many business owners the importance of using the internet to run part of their business or completely moving their business online. Now more than ever, being able to serve customers using the internet will create a competitive advantage over other businesses and can be the difference between a closed business and a highly successful one. Many people who pivoted to the online world created a more effective business in these times of trouble and realized the inefficiencies of their old business practices. The reason why this is possible is because the internet allows for unlimited scalability. Imagine a personal trainer who normally runs a 25-person fitness class a few times a week at a gym, and let's say that he makes $200 per person per month. This means he makes $5,000 per month running his physical personal training business. But as gyms closed down and gatherings were prohibited, he moved his training online. His normal classroom fits 25 people, but since he moved online using services like Zoom.com, he now has unlimited spaces for people to join his classes. This means that his business no longer has a cap on how many people can join his class and how much money he can generate. He now created a truly scalable business. Now, let's say that instead of doing his classes a few times a week, he does it every day since he can work from home. And he even films his meal preparation process and nutrition tips for his clients. This can help him attract more customers since he decided to leave the price the same even when he delivers more. If he can sign up 50 people to his live training paying the same amount of money, $200 per month, means that he took his income from $5,000 per month to $10,000 per month by staying and working from home. And the trainer no longer has to be limited to his location. With a physical gym, he can only work with those who live close by. But by using the internet, he can live in New York City and train someone in California, or even in other countries across the world. This new business model has allowed him to create a higher earning potential and has broken the physical barriers that a normal physical business has. The internet has provided people willing to take advantage of it unlimited scalability potential, where one can make virtually unlimited transactions at the same time by having online sales pages, and even have automated product and service delivery, making it easier and more efficient to serve customers. There are businesses that do require physical locations, but they can still use the internet to create a more effective business. For example, according to Google, 65% of shopping occasions start online, even if it's a physical transaction. If you're looking for a new computer, chances are you will go online to learn more about it. If you're looking for a car, you will go online to do some research on performance, price, or to find answers to any questions you might have. If 65% of all shopping starts online, even if it's a physical transaction, how much more effective can a physical business become when they are the ones showing up and assisting a potential customer when they first look for a product online? So even physical businesses can greatly benefit from using the internet. And even if you don't have a business, this is an important skill to have. There are many businesses out there that don't know how to do this and would be more than happy to pay someone to help them with this side of their business. Nothing fuels a business more than having an audience. Building an audience is not just getting attention online, but is creating relationships at scale with a potential customer. Having this level of relationships is unheard of in any other medium. The internet and social media have created a powerful tool to communicate with our end user and create a personal relationship with them. Building an audience establishes a group of qualified people that you can eventually serve with your product or service. And this can be done at scale. There is no limit on how large you can build an audience. Even if you don't have a product yet, an audience can act as a test group, providing feedback and helping you better serve your audience and create a good product market fit. Having an audience also establishes credibility and expertise in your field, and this can be done with little to no money. This can be very profitable even for those who don't have a business. Anyone can build an audience. If you're interested in a topic, chances are there are other people out there who are also interested in that topic. There are creators out there who make hundreds of thousands or even millions of dollars just by building an audience on the internet without even selling a single product. Platforms like YouTube or Facebook have built-in systems of monetization where people can make money without the need of building a full product-based business. People can make a big income simply by building an audience around their interests. Content creation is the foundation of building an audience. Audience building is understanding who you're talking to. Creating content is understanding how to talk to them. Content is currency in today's social economic world. Those who create great content that engages a specific audience have a very high potential for monetization. How many people can you name that became millionaires just by creating content on the internet? A lot. And it seems like it's only the beginning. Last year, it is estimated that YouTube alone paid a whopping $8 billion to its creators. To learn content creation, it is important to understand a few things. Like I said before, audience building is understanding who you're talking to. Content creation is understanding how to talk to them. Content creation is a combination of the person's or company's unique creative vision with numbers and data. This is where art meets with metrics to create highly engaging yet highly monetizable content. Understanding content creation on both the analytical side as well as the creative side is a skill that takes time to fully understand and execute, but once mastered, it is a highly monetizable skill that creates many opportunities for the creator. Many choose to be influencers and create content based on their interests. Others decide to help other businesses create content, and others use this ability to create authority for their own businesses. Regardless of the goal of the entrepreneur, content is the price of entry. Now, as a quick side note, one of the biggest questions I get is how did you build your multiple six-figure channel without having to show your face? And what strategies do you use to grow and monetize your channel? So I decided to run a case study group where I show a handful of people how to start, grow, and monetize a YouTube channel from scratch. If this is something you want to be part of, click on the link in the description to join this new case study group to start, grow, and monetize your very own YouTube channel. Now back to the video. Brand building and content creation are highly monetizable skills, but those who want to take it further, understanding online marketing can turn a $10,000 per month platform like a YouTube channel into a $1 million machine with the same audience. Online marketing or digital marketing is the process of promoting and selling a product over the internet. This is a broader field that covers a variety of disciplines. This starts with understanding people's purchase behaviors and the reason why people buy. This includes things like funnel building, where you create the online buying experience of a prospect and where you guide the prospect to a purchase decision. This includes the follow-up system in case the person did not buy the first time. This includes the copywriting, which are the words that go inside of the sales page or advertisements that get people to buy. Marketing includes buying traffic that leads to your sales pages and the creative and targeting of your ads. This includes understanding your ROI of different types of advertisements, like paid Facebook, Google, or YouTube ads to influencer marketing and affiliates, among others. It includes understanding the different behaviors people have on each platform. Understanding how things are sold over the internet can and already has created many of the new internet millionaires. This can be a very lucrative skill even if the person only understands one of these sub-disciplines in the online marketing world. If you become amazing at buying online traffic and creating advertisements, there are many companies out there that will be more than happy to pay money for this skill. Networking always has been an important part of both personal and professional growth. Interacting with other like-minded people can allow you to expand your mind and exchange ideas with other knowledgeable people. Many businesses came to be when two or more people combined their skills and abilities and created something unique. Networking allows you to get to know people who can open opportunities in business or in your career, or can introduce you to someone who can, and vice versa. Now that social gatherings are limited and in some places still prohibited, online networking is a skill that not many people have, yet can continue to create business and opportunities during social distancing. One of the easiest ways to get started is to join already existing online groups in your field. A Facebook group with people in your field can be a great way to start building relationships with like-minded people. LinkedIn is another great platform for networking because people go with the mindset of connecting with other professionals. Learning communication skills is important, but learning online communication skills is becoming just as important in today's digital world. Over the last 15 years, there has been a constant change in business, technology, communication, and media. This means that the ability to constantly learn and adapt to the times is a skill that can help a business thrive in this ever-changing digital world. This becomes more evident in times of economic regression. Only those who are able to provide the market what they need in the most effective and efficient way are the ones who thrive, and those who refuse to adapt eventually become history. In the comments below, let me know what is one skill that you are interested in learning next. And if you want to learn how to start, grow, and monetize your very own YouTube channel, you can join our case study group in the links below, where I show you the strategies I used to grow this multiple six-figure YouTube channel from zero. And as always, thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video.